Do you want to start a career in cloud computing but don't know where to begin? If so, this course can help by providing an ideal foundational mapping of the career paths and certifications that IT professionals should consider if they are interested in transition to cloud computing. Hi, my name is Mozam. Welcome to my course on essential networking skill to jumpstart with cloud. I have been using the Windows servers and teaching people about it since its inception. I have designed this course to give you a foundational understanding of what the cloud really is and tell you about some of the technologies that are available to you in the cloud. This course should also help you to decide if any of the cloud is right for you and perhaps your business. If you find it is, you will also pick up some useful tips for making a seamless move to the cloud. Course outline. In this course, we will look at the various components and tools that will use to create virtual machines and configure networking components. We will create and manage users and groups as well as set permissions to allow or deny access to various resources. We can define, enforce, and update the entire configuration by using group policy object. We will publish resources from servers out to the network as well. We will look at all the components that provide high availability and connectivity to your network resources. We will create and configure load balancer to ensure a high available connectivity to your resources. We will learn how to install, configure, and manage a DHCP server, the system that automatically assign IP addresses to host. We will also deploy DNS. DNS means domain name system, resolves fully qualified domain names to IP addresses. Windows administration will help us a lot to understand cloud computing services model. This model has three main services. Software as a services application run on the cloud and you can use them by a paid license subscription or for free with limited access. Second one is IS, infrastructure as a services. Cloud provider can give you the entire range of computing infrastructure such as storage, servers, networking hardware alongside maintenance and support. Third one is platform as a services or PaaS. It's essentially a cloud base where you can develop, test, and organize the different application for your business. To learn more, let's get started.